Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're looking at the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway. This is the section between Harborview and Yallis. Now I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think NROCC should have been in charge of the building of this highway? Because look at the videos that we've put up on Highway 2000, the Maypen to Mandeville leg. NROCC was in charge of that highway, and it's a magnificent highway. I mean, spectacular. Look at the videos. It's not open to the public yet, but we have videos up. And that highway was to finish in April of this year, and it was delayed until August. And it's going to finish in August because it was delayed because of a few minor things. But this road that we're on, I mean, the NWA was put in charge of this project a few weeks ago, and they are making progress, but this highway is over 2 years delayed. 2 years delayed. They got a loan to build this highway from China Exim Bank, and the 3 years has passed, and the 2 years grace period has passed. The 5 years for the grace period of the loan has passed. They got the loan, and they said it would take 3 years to build a highway, and then to pay the loan. The loan is due, and the road is not even finished, and this is just one section. So NROCC is in charge of all the toll roads in Jamaica. And I must say, they definitely seem to know what they're doing with the building of the highways. Because in both cases, China Harbour Engineering Company is the contractor. In all the major highway roads in Jamaica, it's China Harbour Engineering Company. And they have done an excellent job, I must say. Based on that highway to Mandeville, I mean, they're working on this one too, but it's just that there was nobody managing the project, or it wasn't being managed properly. So the first thing the NWA did when they came in was to call in China Harbour Engineering Company and tell them, listen, we're behind schedule. And China Harbour Engineering Company responded by moving faster, putting more resources into the project. So I'm asking, if NROCC was in charge of this project from day one, I think this project would have been finished already. Now, NWA is in charge of building all the main roads in Jamaica. And based on what some of the comments we've gotten since we put up a similar video, NWA can get the job done, but it's basically cost overruns. That was the most. Will they be able to do it within the budget? And that's a serious question, because there was an article where some other roads were like $8 billion over budget. Well, we'll talk about that in another video. I'm simply asking, yes, NROCC was created to monitor the toll roads, and that's a Highway 2000 roads, and the roads are magnificent. Some really nice quality roads, but maybe it's time that we put NROCC in charge of all the major road projects, not only the toll roads, because they seem to have, well, basically the Highway 2000 was built, the Portmore Expressway is a part of Highway 2000, that was NROCC. The highway from Kingston to Ocho Rios, that's NROCC, because it's a toll road. And now the Kingston to Maypen leg, that's NROCC. And then the Maypen to Mandeville leg, they clearly have the expertise to build these roads. And not only that, they seem to be able to keep the contractors on, how would you say, follow the timeline, basically. So I want to know what you guys think. Leave your comments in the section below. Should NROCC be in charge of all of these roads? Now, although we said NROCC was created for the toll roads, they have been put in charge of a project that's not a toll road. I'm trying to remember which project it is now. They are in charge of building the interchange, but that's the interchange between Highway 2000 East-West and North-South leg, which are both toll roads. So that's basically the toll road. I think they're in charge of the Montego Bay Perimeter project as well, but that project includes building a part of the toll road from Mount Pelion to Montego Bay, so that would be within their purview. But there's another road that they are in charge of that's not a toll road, and it just slipped me. I think it's the North-South Highway. It's the expansion of the North-South Highway, which is going to be the most expensive capital expenditure project in Jamaican history. So I guess somebody's thinking the same thing we're thinking by putting NROCC in charge of that project. I guess the government has realized what we are talking about by putting NROCC in charge of that project. Oh gosh. And that project is the Northern Coastal Highway that runs from Negril to Port Antonio along the entire north coast of Jamaica. And the busiest corridor between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios is being expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. It's going to cost billions of dollars, far more than this project right here. And I do believe I saw NROCC as the name in charge of it. So that goes to show you that perhaps they should have put NROCC in charge of this project as well, and all the future highway projects in Jamaica, I mean of this magnitude. This is to build a highway from Harborview to Portland, 140 kilometers of highway. That's a massive project. It's split into 15 sections, and Kingston to Harborview is just one section, and not one of the 15 sections has finished in the 5 years. And I can't even tell you how bad it is. 5 of the sections have not even started yet. And I can give you guys a joke. They said they wanted to start the other 5 sections, 2 in St. Thomas and 3 sections in Portland. They wanted to start the project in, I think it was September, and finish it by March 2024. They're going to start it and finish it. I mean, talk about unrealistic deadlines. This project is famous for it. Anyway guys, so let us know what you think. Should NROCC be put in charge of this project? Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.